In this video, I'll show you how to split tokens on Axiom Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So the first thing you're gonna need to do is open up and log into your Axiom Pro account. If you don't already have an Axiom Pro account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will get you a 10% discount on your trading fees for life. Once you come to this page, all you're going to have to do is click on Start Trading. Make sure Keys shows up right over here where your invite code is supposed to be, and sign up. So after you've logged in and you've come to this page, in order to demonstrate this, I'm going to have to buy a coin. So let me see if I can find one real quick. So I just bought into this coin to demonstrate. And once you've bought in, you're going to go right over here to your wallet, and you can activate another wallet if you have it added. For this example, I'll just select this one. After that, you'll have this option to split tokens. And if you double click on that, it'll split the tokens that you currently hold into both wallets. Now, the reason you might want to do this is that you can sell portions of your holdings so it doesn't affect the chart too much. If you're holding a lot of one token, for example, if you hold $1,000 worth of a token and you sell, it'll affect the chart a lot. And it'll also show up under holders that you're holding a large percentage of the coin, which might prevent other people from buying in. Also, if you're going in with size, if you have it split between two different tokens, you'll get better and faster sells. And that's how to split tokens on Axiom Pro. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.